I'm gonna eat a cicada. And a live cicada.
And who's your friend here?
I do not know.
Huh?
My name is Elon.
Come on in the shadow or in the shade. Look at the camera and yeah, tell me your name.
My name is Elon. I'm also gonna eat a live cicada.
Okay.
Now don't eat it yet. Now let the people see that it's alive.
Show the camera. Oh yeah, its legs are definitely moving. All right, show the camera. Show the camera. Hold it there for a second. Perfect. All right.
All right, now get close.
No, they're fine. They're fine where they were.
okay.
You can back up a little bit. Okay, so whenever you guys are ready.
Here, look at each other and on the count of 3. Somebody count 3.
1, 2, 3.
Crunch it, chew it.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I am not doing it. Dude, you ate eyeball. Come on now. Good job, bud.
Oh, that's hilarious.
How was it?
Disgusting.
Hey, high five for trying.
Good job.
Good job, buddy. Good job.
And thanks for watching another episode of
Rainbow Kids 1, 2, 3.